New just listed home, 3350 Mermoor Drive 1201, Palm Harbor, Florida, by Stephen Mason and Ashley Mason from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with 1,045 square feet of bright, modern living space is perfectly located in Palm Harbor. Step inside this beautifully updated corner unit to find an inviting open layout. The living and dining area is comfortable for entertaining, featuring new flooring and a cozy fireplace. The modern kitchen includes a new refrigerator, stove, and dishwasher. Both the primary and second bedrooms are spacious with generous closets. Each bedroom has access to a dedicated full bathroom. Beyond your door, enjoy an active, low-maintenance lifestyle with a resort-style pool, tennis courts, and a playground, all less than a mile from local amenities. Don't miss this unique chance.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.